Finally, Power BI listened to the community and created a new slicer for data that is more dynamic and easy to navigate between dates. It's the data picker. I got you interested? Stay with me until the end of the video and figure it out how it works. So, how is the current slicer that we got inside Power BI? I'm gonna go here and add a slicer and then put our date. The traditional slicer is this one that we need to select both dates and then filter based on those two dates. And we can move the slicer here to filter the dates. Now Power BI had put the data picker. How can we activate it? We're going inside slicer. We're gonna click it and go to the visuals, in format, slicer settings, and we're gonna go, instead of style between, we're gonna go to data picker. It's gonna go to this kind of slice. Okay, if data picker is not appearing to you, you need to activate it in the options. So you go to settings and go to preview features and select data picker slicer to set relative and manual data range. Okay, you just set this up, click OK, restart your Power BI, and it's going to appear to you. So how the data picker work? Now we're gonna select the data range that we want. For instance, I want November 2014. I can select the first day and then drag until 30th of November and apply. And here it is, just 1 month. Okay. As you can see, it's showing that the selected is between 1st of November and 30th of November. If I want just 1 day, let me put here October. Now let's go back to October. I want just 1st of October. I click one time in the one and again. Now it's just selected the 1st of October. Pretty cool, right? And we can do relative. If I want, for instance, dates is in the last 3 months from the last date. It's showing, since the last date that we got is for November of 2014, is going to grab November, October, and September of 2014. Okay, it's the last 3 months offset by plus 1 month from the last date. So the last date is for December, and now it's grabbing 3 months before the last date. And we can choose between today, first date. If you're going to set today, it's not going to appear anything because we are in 2026, and this range of dates here is just until 2014. So we can put last, this month, next month. We can put days, weeks of the calendar, months of the calendar, years of the calendar. And from today, first date and last date. And here we can set filter to the future or filter to the past. This was something that was really asked in the Power BI community, a filter that was more dynamic and easy to the users to filter. Now we got one. So what do you guys think of today's video? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I see you guys on our next video.